All right, so look what I have here. This is from Premium Auto Styling, and it's just a freaking badge delete, a freaking chrome delete for the badge. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay, so let me see. I thought it was just going to be like just the Toyota symbol and it goes right over the Toyota symbol, but it's actually a full black circle, and it's like the circle is semi-gloss and then the Toyota symbol is a full gloss. All right, I mean, we're obviously just gonna work with this. It wasn't crazy expensive. I'm not sponsored by them. I have no sponsors right now, so put me on. But yeah, let me make sure that it's all one piece. Because if it's not, I'm just gonna take the Toyota part out. It's all one piece. Yeah. I mean, in all honesty, I would have preferred it instead of the full black. I would have preferred just like the Toyota symbol. But I was wondering how hard that would be to install. Anyway, though, all you need for this installation is isopropyl alcohol or like a waterless cleaner and microfiber towel, because you're gonna wipe it down with a microfiber, not a toilet paper or paper towel, none of that. And then someone told me, like, instead of a actual vinyl squeegee, like, if you have that, awesome. But if you like me and you don't have a vinyl squeegee, then just put a, like, get your credit card, get a microfiber towel, and then just go that way. So yeah, it's cute. I'll insert like a close-up video of it so you can see it. I'm excited. I just wanted to take 1 second to look at this freaking wrap job. And in the garage, it looks like it's lowered, but she's definitely not lowered. No coilovers. She's stock. Okay, well, it's a rainy day here in North Carolina. So anyway, definitely had to make sure this was dry. Definitely had to make sure all the corners were dry. All of that, and that it's a little dry up here. And I'm gonna keep the car in the garage until the rain stops. Right, so you got your clean microfiber and you got your isopropyl alcohol. Probably don't need that much, but I like to go overboard. Clearly, look at my car. And you're literally just gonna clean this. I don't think I have to show you how to clean, but you know, here we go. Give her a nice little wipey, as you would a baby. I've never seen it so clean. Now it smells like a hospital over here. I'll be right back. All right, so we are ready for the installation process. I would make sure that it's about the same size. I know you got it exactly for your car, but you never know. Cover that somewhere. Definitely
Take it slow. Make sure you don't get any.
Okay, so before placing the vinyl, make sure that there is no speckles or anything, no dust, and start wherever you feel the most comfortable. The website says to start in the middle, but I wanted to make sure it's aligned, so I started at the top. Also, if you see any bubbles arise during this point, all you need to do is smooth it out with your finger. It's very easy, super uncomplicated. You got this. Now I'm just making sure that it is flat over the edges at the bottom.